Welcome. If you want to remove Wi-Fi network from your Symfonisk Bookshelf speaker, at the first you have to tap right here at the settings icon and then go for the system. Next you have to scroll down and pick network. And I just misclicked. I go for the parental controls. We have to go for the network and go to manage networks. As you can see, I'm currently connected with only one Wi-Fi network. We can remove it by tapping like that and click remove. So I'm gonna make it right now. And that's it. Right now when I try to play the music, as you can see, we are unable to connect to my device. I can try to update and then connect one more time. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe.